You need a flute.
Now can I hear some movies?
Yes, now we'll play some movies.
But I want Cinderella.
No, we're going to watch these movies, okay?
Okay.
Okay, tell everybody, say, talk to you later, everybody.
Talk to you later, everybody.
Look in there and say, I love you, Grandma Eva.
I love you, Grandma Eva.
I love you, Grandma and Grandpa.
I love you, Grandma and Grandpa.
I love you, Uncle Alan.
I love Grandpa Alan.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mom.
Hey, Poppy.
Well, I love Puppy.
I love... Who else do you want to love?
Goofy.
Goofy?
That.
Say, I love you, everybody.
I love Goofy.
Say, hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Talk to you later.
The Twitter.
See you later, alligator.
Supercalifragilistic.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. I was so goofy. That was just goofy. Supercalifragilistic. I'm doing that goofy. What's this goofy?
Okay.
That's not a goofy talk.
Oh, okay, show me.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you're always so precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I'm diddly, I'm delight. I'm diddly, I'm delight. I'm diddly, I'm delight.
Take a bow. Good job.
Whoa.
Goofy says that's wonderful. Do you know any other songs?